If you have a washing machine and you want to keep its life long, and its cleaning should be on good condition, and you don't want bad smells in your clothes and fungus, so watch this video. This video is very important for you, because if you keep washing the clothes and don't care about your washing machine, I'm not advertising this product. These type of products are called descaling detergent or liquids, and in my scenario I am using tablets one. These are the tablets you get with this product, and in your scenario you can buy liquid also. You once in a month or twice in a month you have to add a tablet or washing machine liquid, washing liquid. Its box is just for 1 year. Yeah, you can check it out. So you have to add a tablet into the washing machine, and your machine should be completely empty, and after that you have to find out the tub hygiene or tub cleaning or deep cleaning or washing machine cleaning cleaner option in your programs. In my scenario I have a tub hygiene option. I'm clicking on the program and selecting the 12 number program and starting, and it started filling the water into the machine, and the machine started working, and it take a few minutes or hours, and after that it cleans completely. It's removed the bad odor from the bad smell from the washing machine, fungus, and any dirt is over there in the seal or anything like this, that will be removed, and after that it will increase the washing capacity of the washing machine too. Now after completing this cycle you can use a clean cloth, and you can completely clean your washing machine, and after that start using. If you want to buy these now products, I'm going to adding in the description below and product tagging in the product. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you understood how we can clean our tub of washing machine.